This smoky, garlicky Spanish dish gives a nod to a classic paella, but it's actually very simple to cook. We've used chicken thighs, but it's easy to swap out whatever meat or fish you prefer. Cook 600 grams of skinless chicken until it's just starting to colour. This is where the lovely flavour comes from. After 5 to 6 minutes, set the chicken aside and add a large chopped onion to the pan. Add a splash of hot chicken stock, then cover and cook for 4 to 5 minutes until the onion is soft. Add 6 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and a pinch of chilli flakes, and cook for another minute or so. Stir in a tin of chopped tomatoes, half a teaspoon of ground turmeric, and 700 ml of stock. Once it's come up to boil, add 300 grams of paella rice and the chicken. Simmer for around 5 minutes, then add 300 grams of roast red peppers. Be sure to use the ones in brine, not oil. Then simmer gently for 10 to 12 minutes until all the stock has been absorbed and everything is cooked through. Top with fresh herbs and lemon wedges.